This is for our subscriber Jupiter, and she had a year 2000 Mercedes-Benz E320 with W210. Sent us 3 key fobs. Let's see which one works. This one doesn't do anything. This doesn't work. Second one doesn't work either, but I believe this one is the only one that works. You hear that? Unlock, and you start the car. Do the other way again. There you go. This one is the only one works, because this one have an ESL problem, so we program an emulator. This is the working keys. You can see. You click, it will turn and start the car. You can see there's a green light on the back that will indicate that it will start the car. There you go. And if you have the key that doesn't work, it will not start the car. See that? All right, it's ready to go.